Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today we are creating this beautiful treat box. This is a triangle treat box that we're going to be making today. It just says hello. You can make this, changing the sentiment out for a baby shower, for a birthday, for a wedding, basically any occasion. You can change out the colors as well. And this is how it opens up. You can even actually write a message on the inside. I made it to contain two of these Russell Stovers. These are milk chocolate caramel. And I actually got my bag at, I think it was the 99 cent store or the Dollar Tree, but I think you can get it at either or. It cost me $1 and it comes with, I think, 6 pieces. Yeah, I believe it's 6 pieces a bag. So it holds about 2 pieces. I'm not sure if you could actually put it in there more, but here it is. So we're going to do the same color coordination in the same pattern, I believe. I have my pieces, and this is the reverse. I'm not quite sure if I want to flip it yet, but we'll see as we go. I use the Forever Fern, I use the Hello, and then I'm using the In Color and Magenta Madness, as well as the new DSP package for the In Colors. So let me go ahead and just set that aside. I'm going to show you what we're going to be needing. You'll need a large piece of Magenta Madness cardstock. This measures 7 by 9 3/4. And you'll need 3 pieces of DSP. Okay. I think we're going to stick with the polka dots here. I think I really like that. So you're going to need, let's see, do these all measure the same? Yes. So these 2 pieces measure 2 3/4 by 2 1/4, and so they measure the same. And then this one measures 2 3/4 by 1 1/2. And of course you'll need a circle or whatever you do have for your sentiment. In this case I used a circle for my hello, and then you'll need a die cut piece. And this is from the Forever Fern bundle. I used, let me take it out real quick for you guys to take a look at. I've shown it before, but in case you are new to my channel and have not seen it, this is from the Forever Flourishing dies. I used this die here. There are several dies that cut out the images from the stamp set, and there are others that will cut out just basically from cardstock. So I went ahead and used that, and then you'll need some Velcro. I got mine, it doesn't have to be any special kind. I got mine at the dollar store or the 99 cent store, just Dollar Tree. So wherever you can find yours. I got mine, I think, I don't know if I have it on hand, if I can pull it off. Hold on. Oh, there it is. So these are what I got. They come 20 pairs out of a pack for $1. So that is what I'm using today. I know you can get them for much more expensive, or if you can find them cheaper, I would go with whatever is cheapest. They work fairly well. As you can see, it holds up very well. So I got no problems. I have seen other people use magnets, so I would go with the option that you feel most comfortable with. So let's go ahead and get started with our large piece. I'm going to take out my paper trimmer, and we're going to actually be scoring this piece. And again, just as a reminder, we score with our lighter of blade, and we're going to go ahead and score the long side, the 9 3/4 inch side. We're going to go ahead and score a 1 3/4. Four 1/4, and then I'm going to go ahead and take out the arm and extend it, and we are going to go ahead and score one last time at 7 1/4. And then on the long side, which is the 7-inch side, we are going to go ahead and score at 2 and at 4. So let's see. Since we are already here, let's go ahead and do the 4. Okay, so let's do 4, 2. This makes more sense, 2, and then I did say 4, right? No, I meant 2 and 5. Sorry, that's why it didn't make sense to me when I was going to do 4. It's good I did not do 4. Okay, so 2 and you're going to score the 7-inch side at 2 and 5. Sorry about that. So there you have it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my scoring board away. I'm going to go ahead and score this, and then we're going to do a bit of cutting. So I'm going to fast forward this piece. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to have one side that's actually smaller, which is this side, and this side, or this smaller portion or flap is actually measures 1 3/4. So you're basically going to cut off from here to here. You're going to cut off these 2 tabs. You're going to leave this tab intact, and you're going to cut off this tab. Okay, so we're going to do the mirror image on both sides. Okay. So now that we've cut up all the tabs, we're going to go ahead and measure the halfway point from here to here, and then we're going to score diagonal lines here and here. So it measures 3 inches, and we're going to go ahead and do a little line at 1.5 on both ends. And then we're going to go ahead and just score. Okay, once you've done that, you're just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Just fold and burnish, and fold and burnish. And once you're done doing that, it will be time for us to go ahead and adhere our DSP. So we have 3 pieces to adhere. I'm going to be using my Tombow. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and adhere or apply adhesive on these 2 flaps here and adhere them to the side here. Just applying a little bit of pressure there. Okay, it is all adhered. And now we're going to go ahead and apply our Velcro. And I'm going to apply it just towards the middle part there. And then just peel that off. peel off once again and just tap, tap, tap. Making sure that it takes. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Magenta Tuxedo black ink and my Hello. Stamp it in the middle. And then I'm going to take my cute little foliage here. And then I'm just applying a little bit of glue towards the top of these leaves, which is what will be adhered most of it, or at least that's the part that will be adhering to the circle here for the most part. Everything else will just kind of be up in the air. Okay, so now that we have that, we'll need a glue dot, not a glue dot, or basic rhinestone. I'm going to take my scissors, I'm taking the largest. Move to center. Okay, I think that's pretty much the center. So I try to center it as much as possible. And then I'm just going to take a dimensional, pop it on the back, sorry, I'm going to say bottom for whatever reason. And then I'm going to stick it on my box. Have that. Take some of my candy. And I can actually stick my candy in there. And there you have it, guys. I will go ahead and link my 24/7 Stampin' Up! Online store as well as my email for any questions. I would be glad to be your online, I'm sorry, not your online. I'd be happy to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator if you don't already have one. Please let me know if you don't have a catalog. I'd be happy to send you one. And keep your eye out. We have a new catalog coming out, which would be our holiday catalog. However, I know that they're changing up their names, so I'm not quite sure what this one would be called. And I'd be happy to send you one of those as well. So please let me know if you have any questions. And thank you very much for watching. You guys have a great day.